Rais William RUTO ni akinyete MUCEMANIO jwa iri jwa Kubangira Uejani Bwa Irio Macukuru. Rais augite GWIKINYA 2030 mwana wonthe mono bare baumite njaite guchiomba bakaejaga irio cukuru bire bire na regu njega kenda kubatethereria kuthithia bwega mathomone jao.
Our model is designed to be accessible to all. Parents pay a nominal fee of 5 shillings, which is hardly 4 US cents. Facilitated through a tap-to-eat payment system embedded in a watch like this that I'm wearing. Through this watch, you can tell if a child is skipping school through this technology. We can tell how often they are attending. Wastage is close to 0% because we are using predictive analytics to prepare meals so that there's no extra. It is just enough for those schools.
It has been our long-held aspiration to maximize school enrollment and retention to ensure every child in Kenya has access to education. Recognizing that access to food and nutrition is a significant factor in keeping children in school, Kenya introduced the school meals program as early as 1966, when I was born. I am very proud of what Nairobi County is doing and what collectively as a government we are doing in this space to keep our children in school and to make sure that to the extent possible, they have a meal.
Kenya has been an inspiring champion for school meals in recent decades. For many years, the World Food Program and successive Kenyan governments have worked together to deliver nutritious meals to school children across the country. Since 2018, the program has been fully led by the government. And thanks to President RUTO's commitment and vision, it continues to go from strength to strength.
School meals increase school enrollment. It improves school attendance. It creates gender parity and contributes to improved health and nutritional status. This ultimately enhances the ability to focus, engage, and succeed academically.
In the last 2 years, we've hired 56,000 teachers more. And next January, we are hiring another 20,000 teachers so that every child in our schools have access to a teacher and they can learn. It is also a moment that even as we move into grade 9, we've not only finalized the process of building an extra 11,000 classrooms as government. I've also asked our members of parliament using their constituency development fund to also build another 6,000 classrooms so that next year we are ready to make sure that every child that grows to grade 9 have a classroom, they have a teacher, and I am very happy to announce that we have already made all the learning material available